Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete your Apple ID account. Whether you're switching to Android, selling your iPhone, or just starting fresh, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign out from your iPhone. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your iPhone settings. Tap on your name at the very top, then scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the Sign Out option. Tap on it, enter your password, and sign out of your Apple ID. This will disassociate your Apple ID from your iPhone. Step 2. Delete your Apple ID account via web browser. Now, let's head over to privacy.apple.com in your web browser. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in with your Apple ID credentials. After logging in, scroll to the bottom of the page where you'll find the option to delete your account. Click on it and then select Request to delete your account. Step 3. Review and confirm. You'll be taken to another page where you'll see the steps and consequences of deleting your account. Take a moment to review what you'll lose, such as messages, FaceTime, iCloud, and mail. If you're still sure you want to proceed, select a reason for stopping using your account and hit Continue. Step 4. Follow the prompts to complete the deletion process. Keep in mind that it's a good idea to back up any important data associated with your Apple ID, such as messages and emails, before deleting your account. Once you've confirmed, your Apple ID will be deleted and you'll lose access to all associated services. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Apple ID account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help.